Many students are pretty insecure when it comes to choosing which IELTS to take. And I don't mean academic in general because I've already answered that question in a previous video, which you can, of course, check it out on my profile. But the question is whether you need to take the paper-based test or the computer-based test. Although I'm not gonna lie, in the past, I used to prefer the paper-based test. The past few months, I have noticed that there are many things that could only be done when taking a paper-based test, such as highlighting. However, now you can do so too. For that reason, nowadays I believe that the computer-based test is the one to go, and more so because of the writing section. Because if there's one thing that you must remember is that whenever you are taking the writing test, whatever you write, like, you cannot change it afterwards, as opposed to the computer. Like, maybe if you want to change something in the introduction, you can do it, but whenever it's a paper-based test, it's pretty impossible to do so, since there's not enough space for that, because you have already written whatever you needed to write. The same thing if you want to change an idea. You can do so very easily when it comes to a computer-based test, but you will find a little bit of trouble if you're trying to do so when you are taking a paper-based test. For that reason, I think that nowadays the computer-based test has many more advantages than the paper-based test. And if you're not sure which one to take, or if you would like some guidance, feel free to message me and I'll give you a hand.